Hello guys, welcome back to Geeky Engineer and hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for your previous responses and let's start the session. Go into edit sketch. Click OK. Then try to revolve this whole stuff. Yeah, now it's working fine. So just let me revolve it through 180 degree. Again have to revolve it. And this time through this axis. And the angle is gonna be 180 degrees. Edit. And there you go. Yeah, let's go into the scale modifier and we have to select the scale. This one's the scale and just scale it. Sorry, we missed the point. So this one is the point. Yeah, it's automatically gets scaled. Now go into the scale again. Go into the circle. Choose the point. This is the point, and let's scale it. Move it a bit inside to the move. Let's see the profile. I think this would be fine. Now we just have to extrude this panel. A bit. Let's make it a new body. Yeah, furthermore. And after that, what we have to do, we just have to take this one, this body, and move on to the bodies. This is the body that we have selected. Create copy and move it a bit outside. That's fine. Now what we have to do, we just have to scale it down and we just have to scale it. And I'll scale it again to the center. Yeah. I think that's fine. Yeah. So guys, what happened is when we scaled this down, we forgot that these go through holes are also gonna be scaled down. And after that, if we're gonna subtract it, then this will hamper our profile. So what we have to do, we just have to fill this down. So for that, just choose the full one and click on the profiles. Yep. Now what you have to do, just pull it out. It will automatically fill down you all the body. Disable this one so that it won't get subtracted from the headlight. Now you have to enable it and now you are ready to subtract it. Choose the first file, choose the second body, and boom, subtracted. Disable the sketch, enable the headlamps. Fine, great. I think this is looking quite odd. Why not just fill it down? Quite odd. Not looking good. We have chosen the first sketch and it's overlapping the surface. That's why we got the error. And now just select these. Click here and it will automatically get filled out. Okay, now enable it and again enable the sketch and extrude it. These two. Don't join, make it a new body. so that we can adjust it later. Click on these two and now move it a bit, tweak it. Yeah. You can see a bit of gapping here now. So, yeah, I think 0.50 fine.
Thanks for watching this video. Press the bell icon and subscribe for more.